Do you experience lower back stiffness or pain after a long walk? Try these 3 preparation exercises and see the difference. Hi, I'm Esther, and I'm a physiotherapist and Pilates instructor. Today we'll practice only these 3 exercises in standing. So stand tall in the middle of your mat with your feet hip distance apart. Elongate your entire body. And before we start these 3 exercises, use your core activation. So find the hip bones in front of the pelvis and then walk your fingertips in an inch and down an inch towards your lower tummy muscles. Hold that position, take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, draw the lower tummy muscles towards the middle and engage your pelvic floor muscles as well. You will probably feel a little flickering, a little core muscle activation underneath your fingertips. So we're good to go. Let's repeat one more time. Deep inhalation, and as you exhale, engage these lower tummy muscles and pelvic floor muscles. Try to lift them and squeeze them a little bit up towards your organs. So that will give you a nice support all around your waistline. Imagine you have a wide band around your lower back. Then relax the shoulders backwards and downwards, elongating your entire body. So strengthen our calf is very important before a long walk. So raise the heels, lower back down, keeping your core engaged. So you can relax your hands on your hips. Keep your back nice and tall with those heel raises. Try to move only upwards and downwards, avoiding swaying forward and backwards, or perhaps side to side. So try to draw the sitting bones and the heel bones towards each other to gain some stability. We're going to have one more and then lower your heels down. The second exercise will be a mini squat, folding the knees and the hips, leaning forward with a nice straight back, and then push yourself back up. Lowering down and emphasize the upwards movement, planting your heels and pushing yourself up and away from the ground. Lower back down. Push back up. Lower back down, shifting your weight backwards and downwards, engaging your core and push yourself back up. Few more of this. Lower. Keeping your thighs parallel to each other, then push yourself back up. Drawing the sitting bones towards each other, engaging your glutes, activating your abdominals. You're going to have one more of this. Then if you wish, you can join these 2 movements together, raising the heels, engaging the core, lower the weight down into that mini squat position we just done, lower the heels, then push yourself back up. Heels, knees, lower and push back up. And push back up. You're going to have one more of this. Combining heel raises. Last one for luck. Lower and push back into the center position. Engage your core and then pull your right heel away. Engage your core and then gently open the knee towards the side, moving back to the center, activating your gluteals. Keep your position nice and tall and your hips pointing forward. So imagine a laser light in front of your hips. They are shining forward. So the only thing is moving is your hip joint and your knee towards the side and center. If you feel that you're stable enough, you can pop your foot up on the inner side of your calf and then carry on with the same movement. Move back to the center, open up, center, and then relax back down. So let's repeat the same movement as a third exercise on the other side, either keeping the tip of the toes on the ground. Keep your core engaged and then open and center. Exhale and inhale. Nice and tall position. Or pop your foot up on the inner side of your calf and carry on with the same movement. A little open and center. Gently engaging your gluteals. And then we're going to have one more. Back to the center and relax down. So let's conclude these 3 exercises. I hope you enjoy this little workout. Try to practice these exercises before a long walk and feel the difference. Please let us know how it went for you and what was your experience. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye.